What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can start your own laundry business in 2026 without having to have any of your own equipment. This means you're not going to need laundromats of your own. This means you're not going to have to hire your own laundry attendants. That means you're not going to have to worry about utilities. It's going to mean you're not going to have to worry about insurance for, say, the property. You're not going to have to worry about buying or leasing any land. You're not going to have to worry about any real estate or rent. You're not going to have to worry about any of the expenses that usually come with a typical laundromat. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with pickup and delivery without having to own your own laundromat. The only two things that you do is simply pick up the clothes and deliver it. As long as you can do that or even get somebody to do that, the whole business model is already set up. And it's as simple as it sounds, okay? So for those of you guys that don't know what laundry pickup and delivery is, laundry pickup and delivery just pretty much means similar how there's to Uber, where somebody can come pick you up and to give you a ride and take you to your destination, just like how there's DoorDash. Somebody can pick up some food and bring it to you. People are also trying to use laundry as a service. So people are willing to pay somebody to come pick up their laundry, wash it, dry it, fold it, clean it, and then bring it back to them all nicely done. There are women out there that have kids that don't want to do it. There are busy professionals out there that don't care about it. There's even commercial clients like of real estate companies like Airbnb hosts, people like retirement homes, senior centers that need to do laundry every 6 months because of sanitation purposes. There are many ways to get clients. And all you pretty much have to do when it comes to running this business is pick up the clothes and deliver it. Okay, where do you pick the clothes up and where do you deliver it? You pick the clothes up from the person's house, apartment, or wherever the pickup location is. If I schedule an appointment, we're going to role play a little bit. So pretend I schedule, I'm a customer and you're the business owner. What I would do is I would say, see your website, see your ads, see your flyer, see whatever it is that whatever type of advertising that you're doing, or whatever type of lead generation that you're doing. I would go on your website and fill out the form to pick up to get my laundry picked up. So I give you my name, my address, the pickup date. I give you any instructions. I tell you how I want my clothes folded. I tell you what kind of detergent I need. And it's a simple form. This form comes to you. So now you see the person's name, you see their address, you see what they need from the detergent preferences, you see what they need from the folding preferences, and you know everything that they need for that laundry order. So you simply go to that person's house at the specific time that they mentioned. You pick up the clothes. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take it to a laundromat that does wash, dry, and fold. The reason why this is so crucial and so important is because at the end of the day, the cheaper the laundromat you can find, the more profit margins you can have. So for an example is, if a laundromat charges you, say, $1 to do all of the work, and you charge the lady $2.25 to do all the work, you made $1.25 profit. But say a laundromat charges you 50 cents to do all the work, and you charge the lady $2.25 to do the work. Now you made $1.75 profit. So at the end of the day, the cheaper you can get the laundromat to charge you, the more profit you can make. Okay. So once you take the clothes to the laundromat already does all the work. So they have the employees, they have the washers, they have the dryers, they have the people. They're going to do all of the work. They're going to wash the clothes, they're going to dry the clothes, they're going to fold, they're going to do all of the work. Okay, and when it's ready, they're going to call you. They're going to say, hey, mister, whatever, your clothes are ready. So you're going to come back and pick up the clothes. The clothes are ready, washed, fold, clean, looking nice. And you're going to take it back to the customer and you're going to charge them. It's as simple as it gets. The customer, in their head, all they saw was you pick up the clothes and bring it back nicely. That's all they wanted from you. They don't care about how you did it, where you took it, what happened in between. As long as you can pick up the clothes, get it clean, and bring it back, that's what makes you money. So at the end of the day, all you have to be able to do is just pick up the clothes and drop it off at a laundromat and bring it back when it's done. If you can do that, you can be profitable, okay? I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to make more videos explaining about how you can, how to do each step, how to do it all. But for those of you guys that don't know what laundry pickup delivery is, that's what it is. And for those of you guys that want to know how you make money off of it, that's simply how you make money. Another video, I'm going to talk about how you can, get more customers, how you can get more commercial clients, how where to look and stuff, how to increase your online presence so that you actually get more people wanting to do business with you and stuff like that. But for the meantime, like I said, you at least have to know how the laundry business delivery works. And if you want to know how to make more money off of that, watch this video right